Do you ever feel like you know English, but the moment it comes to speaking, your mind just goes blank? Maybe you hesitate, your tongue feels heavy, and all those English words you know just disappear. So, if this happens to you, I just want you to know that this is a common problem. Many people can read or write English well, but the moment it comes to speaking, they become nervous. They feel nervous. They sometimes they feel embarrassed or even scared. And you know what? This is not a language problem. This is a confidence problem. So why are you afraid of speaking English? Let's think about it. Why do you hesitate? Why does speaking English feel so scary? For most people, it's one of these reasons. Number one, fear of making mistakes. You're afraid of saying something wrong, and this is why you always hold yourself back. Number two, you're afraid of being judged. You constantly think that people will laugh at you. And number three, lack of confidence. You don't trust yourself enough to speak English fluently. Sounds familiar? Believe me, I understand. But here's something you need to understand. Mistakes are normal. And if you aren't making mistakes, then you won't learn. So you basically will learn from your mistakes. So accept it and please focus on your practice sessions. Let me ask you a question. Do you think native English speakers never make mistakes? Of course they do. Even in their own language, they use fillers like they make grammar mistakes, and even sometimes they struggle to find the right words. But they don't stop speaking, right? So why should you? Now let's talk about solutions. If you want to overcome this fear, here are a few things you must do. And number one is to change your mindset. Stop thinking, what if I make a mistake? Instead, think, what if I improve every time I speak? Shift your focus from perfection to progress. Solution number two is to practice every day, even if it's just to yourself. So if you're alone at home and there's nobody to talk to you, great. Just record random things that's coming to your mind. Practice out loud. Talk to yourself. The more you speak, the more natural this language will become. Solution number three. Don't wait for the perfect sentence. Many learners think too much before speaking. They want their sentence to be 100% correct. I understand. But this is not how real conversations work. Speak even if it's simple, because confidence is more important than accuracy. And solution number four is to use simple words and sentences. See, you don't have to use fancy words and phrases to speak English. You have to focus on clear and simple communication, because fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking naturally. Solution number five. If you can, then find a friend, a teacher, or a language partner to talk to them. If you are not able to find a partner, then just talk to yourself. Even shadowing can help you a lot. Now, here's a challenge for you. Starting today, you have to speak in English for just 2 minutes every day. Pick any topic you like. That can be your daily routine, your weekend plans, or maybe your favorite food. That can be any topic. See, no judgment, no pressure. You just have to speak for 2 minutes. You'll see a huge difference in yourself in just a few weeks. So, are you ready for this challenge? Let me know in the comments below what's stopping you from speaking English. And I'll see you soon in my next video.